You know what I like about these direct drive mini 3D RC helicopters is that you don't need a car to carry them. You can carry them in a backpack, outside backpack, on an electric scooter, and go anywhere and fly. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Greetings, alishanmao here. So the question was, how do you carry 5 or 6 mini 3D RC helicopters, dual brushless motor direct drive 3D RC helicopters on an electric scooter? Well, it's very easy. Let me show it to you. So this is how I'm carrying these mini 3D RC helicopters. Goosky S2. I hope I am pronouncing this right. Goosky or goosky. I'm not sure. We'll say goosky. It's packed in a box like this, very nice and safe with the spare parts. Look at that. So this is how I'm carrying these helicopters with me on my Duotorque 13X electric scooter. So this box will sit right here on the deck, and then M2 and Ishin E150 are hanging outside, while my Futaba and M1 Align T15 are inside, tucked inside nicely and safe. And then I have some tools at the back of the bag, and my cameras in this, and the tripod goes at the side of the bag. So this is how you carry these helicopters, and that's why I simply love these new dual brushless motor direct drive mini 3D RC helicopters, because no matter 6, 7, 8, I can still carry them all to the field in and out of the backpack, on the deck of electric scooter, even hang them or put them. Two helicopters will easily come in this 3D printed basket, no doubt at all. I have carried my Black Hawk UH-60 helicopter on this scooter, putting it here in this basket. So it's very, very easy. I was thinking I would also start carrying my RC airplanes on this, for which I'm going to weld a small frame and turn it into a small trailer that I can pull behind this electric scooter. I will make a small hitch and I'll pull it behind this electric scooter, and that trailer can put all my tools, batteries, radios, and even carry FPV wing and FPV airplanes. So I don't have to drive my car anymore. I would probably just sell my car out and use my electric scooter all the times whenever I want to go out flying. So this is my idea. It might come true very, very soon. I just need to find time to build that trailer to carry my RC stuff on, using the electric scooter. So this is how you carry the mini 3D RC helicopter without the trailer on a scooter. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay subscribed and hit that little bell icon and turn on all the notifications. And yes, give this video double like.